The sum we have given like 6 minus under root of under root 35 whole raised to x plus 6 plus under root of 35 whole raised to x is equal to 142. So in this case we need to find out x such that the x belongs to the R. Now we know that x is here, we have at the power and we have plus operation in between these two terms. So in this case we are not able to take any logarithm and it will not going to help that much. So if we closely observe these two terms, so we can say something like 6 minus root 35 into 6 plus root 35. So if we are producing these two terms, we are getting like a minus b into a plus b. So as we know, that is equal to a square minus b square. So we have like 36 minus 35, that is equal to 1. So 6 minus root 35, if I take this 6 plus under root 35 beneath of this 1, then the terms will be like this one. Okay, so let's put this terms into our actual problem. So we will have like 1 upon 6 plus under root of 35 raised to x plus 6 plus under root of 35 raised to x equal to 142. So we can write this as 1 upon 6 plus root 35 whole raised to x plus 6 plus root 35 whole raised to x equal to 142. Now we have this term common now. So let's assume like 6 plus under root 35 raised to x equals to y. So our this term will be like 1 upon y plus y equal to 142. So if we multiply both side with the y, then 1 plus y square equal to 142. Okay, so let me get this term like y square, sorry, here is 142y, y square minus 142y plus 1 equals to 0. Now we have a equation and let's compare it with ax square plus by plus c equals to 0, and let's calculate the delta, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. So we have, in terms of b, we have minus 142 square minus 4, in place of 1 we have 1 over here, we can write down like this one, and in place of c we have 1. So this is again this 4 we can consider as a 2 square, so a square minus b square. So I am writing down like 142 plus 2 142 minus 2. So we have term like 144 multiplied by 140. So under root of delta we have something like 12. Then again we can write it down this 140 as 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. So we have 2 square over here, so we can take it common it. Okay, so we have under root of 35, that is equals to 24 35. Now under root delta equal to 24. Okay, now let's calculate y. So now we have y equal to minus b plus or minus under root of delta upon 2a. So in place of b we have minus 142 plus or minus 24 under root of 35 divide by 2 into 1. So this minus minus going to cancel out, divide by 2. So we have plus 71 plus or minus as it is, this would be like turn into 12 root 35. So we have like, let's solve for y equal to 71 plus 12 root 35. Now we have like instead of y we had 6 plus root 35 raised to x. Okay, so we have this term and we need this root 35 to convert into some terms. So let's try to complete this as a whole square root. So let's write down something like this 12 we can write down 2 into 6 into root of 35. So this should be like 36 and square root of 35. So 36 plus this would be term into 12 root of 35. So 36 plus 35, that is equal to 71. That's great. So we have like 6 plus root 35 raised to x equals 6 plus, so root 35 raised to square. So both side bases are same, so these terms can be equal. So in this case we have x equals to 2. Now for the terms like, let's say y equal to 70 minus 12 root 35. So again we are replacing 6 plus root 35 equals to x. So this could be like turn into 6 square minus 2 into 6 into root 35 plus root 35 whole square. So we have like 6 plus root 35 raised to x equal to 6 minus root 35 raised to 2. Okay, so if we observe in our very first terms, like we have 6 minus root 30. Let's replace 6 minus root 35 with this term again. Okay, so let's replace 6 minus root 35 is 6 and 1 upon. So what we have, like 6 plus root 35 equal to 1 upon 6 plus root 35 raised to 2. So we can write down like 6 plus root 35 equal to 6 plus root 35 raised to minus 2. Okay, so again the bases are same. So we have, in this case, we have x equal to minus 2. So we have two solutions, like x equal to 2 and x equal to 2 minus 2, and in our case both the terms are belongs to R. Let me know how you like this video in the comment section, and if you have any more challenging sum, then please write to me. Thank you.